Hey, it's Scott coming to you here live from my home in Sugarloaf, just chilling here. I haven't done a long video in a bit. Make sure you check out my shorts. Also, be sure to smash subscribe, hit the bell so you never miss a video from me here again, especially on how to make 800, 2400, $4,000, all done for you. I'm going to break it down and what you're supposed to do while the business is working for you, meaning, yes, the team does close the sales for us. As you can see here, just ask yourself this in a question. You want to start earning commissions of 824. Who doesn't want to? So all you're going to do, the link is in the description below. After you watch this video, just take action below, give my team a call, and then we'll connect because I'm going to actually show you here my value stacks right here. Yes, my big 1 hour a day. Okay, so stay tuned. You're going to get a lot of action packed value here on how you can make money from home online. This is what you call affiliate marketing, and we are what? We are a traffic source. We're a membership that you actually get discounted traffic, right? On dollar 50 leads, you get up to 30% off. It's great. And it pays those big ticket commissions. So when you go to that link below and you put your email address in this right here, I'm walking you step by step right here. It's going to direct you to this page. You're going to want to watch this, okay? Make sure you watch this video, all right? 14 minutes. Watch everything, review everything on the page. You know what I mean? Make sure that's what I teach is take your time, do it in steps, okay? Watch this video. It's 14 minutes long. It has everything you need to know about the business, okay? And then when you're done, this is what's great. You're going to click this button right here, which is to view the products, the bonuses, and how to get started. And what is that page? When you click here, it's going to take you right to here. And this is one more video before you call that you need to watch, okay? So this is right here. You're going to watch this, and this is the OCM product service explained, okay? And as you can see, everything you need to know about this product is in here, okay? Then you're going to want to come down this board right here, and you're going to see my name, and you're going to see this phone number. This is the phone number you're going to want to call after you review everything I just went over, including going to the link below, put your email address in here, watch this video. We come to this part. You watch how it's done here. Very simple, correct? Yes. And that's it. Call, and then you can browse here. You can see other members like Carol having success. I should be on here soon. I just got my 50K trophy. Here's another one of the top earners, Dan from Naples. Unbelievable system, okay? We have a Michael from Alabama, 4,200 in just 3 weeks' time. It's great, and we keep coming down here more. And remind yourself, and don't forget, each single lead that comes through traffic could make you, yes. So you're sending and we're going to get into that product. That's traffic. You're sending hundreds of people to this site, and all you need is one sale to make a big ticket commission. So you don't need thousands of people. That's why I like this business model. I actually fired my boss with this business model, went into the automations, and I could still automate this for you. So that's what's great about this. I'm going to connect with you, period, once we get done here. So, because I connect with every one of my leads in this business. I like it. It's automated and personable, okay? Just like this gentleman here, Kevin, 6,400 in 1 week, okay? Ready to start making life-changing money. Just keep asking yourself that. I fired my boss in 2016, so I understand what we need to do. And this is what I like. It's family owned. Bob is the owner. When you call that number, you're probably going to get Bob calling you back because you're going to leave a message, okay? And what's real nice about this, folks, is ladies and gentlemen, it does have a click here for instruction on how to join the OCM team, step-by-step instructions. So when you click here, it's going to list it, 1, 2, and everything is right here for you to be successful. And it gets better. It gets better. If you're low on funds or you want to take leverage and start your business zero out of pocket, come on. If you live in the United States, click here to see if you qualify for zero out of pocket, and then follow the steps on this page right here. Yes, you can do your team's going to see this as well when the OCM team, when we're doing the email follow-up, because ultimately, what do we want to do? We want to build our list. So while you start your business, right, I'm gonna show you how I've built my list to 5,882 openers. There's a difference. And when you have all those openers, the money's in the list. And that's where we ultimately want to be. So you may ask, Scott, you said at the beginning, I'm going to break down the bonuses right now in the next 3 minutes here. So hang tight. So what are we going to get? So as you know, OCM has 3 product packages: gold, platinum, and diamond. Okay. Gold pays $800. Okay. $800 commissions. Platinum pays $2,400 commissions. Diamond pays those big $4,000 commissions. That I'm going to give you a 1-level bump, meaning what does that mean, Scott? If you start at the gold, you will get bumped to the platinum. Just pay the admin of the platinum, okay? There's a member fee and there's an admin fee for the membership and for them to do your site, because you're going to get a page that looks just like this with your name on there, with their phone number, so they can do the same thing you're going to do with me. So what am I going to do besides the 1-level bump here? So gold, you're going to get my Powerline Hub L2. What's my Powerline Hub? It's another place. These are leads. So you're going to get a $250 product package that comes with right here. That comes with 500 leads. I'm going to send 100 premium clicks of traffic to your link. You just give me the link. I have email instructions once you're done. You're going to be able to tap into the live email training, okay? Because what I'm doing is I'm adding that as a bonus for everybody here. So you're going to be able to come to my live email trainings, the live Facebook, and $250 worth of value, okay? Or at platinum, folks, you're going to get the membership here. You're going to get a YouTube training. You're getting all this. Plus, you're going to be able to earn $500 commissions if you join platinum. And if you join here, you'll go to the diamond, which pays those $4,000 commissions, okay? All right. So also, I'll send 200 premium clicks. You'll have an additional 3 more commission tiers that you're able to do. You'll have my live email training. You'll have my Facebook training. You'll have my live text message training. I'm going to give you once you're ready to get custom branded, I'm going to custom brand you. That's a bonus, okay? We're going to set your funnel up for you with this as well. So we have a funnel for you. Everything is set up for you. And if you do join at the diamond, you're going to go all the way up to the $1,000 product lead package here in the Powerline Hub. And you're going to get 400 premium clicks of traffic from me. You're going to get live YouTube training, live email training, live Facebook training, live text message training, done for you funnel builders basic, okay? We're ramping it up. Again, we have everything you need to get started. So this is all stuff that'll come to you as you grow, when you grow this email list like I was just pertaining to right there, folks. And lastly, that's it. So when you're done, you're just going to please send email to scottsbonuses@gmail.com. Please send my OCM bonus and we'll send you the instructions. I look forward to connecting with you. Make sure you smash subscribe, hit the bell, go in the description, put your email address in here, and follow all those steps we just did in the video. I look forward to connecting with you, and I'll see you on my next YouTube video. Bye for now.